Welcome to Five Oaks Homestead. I'm Mike. We got a little project today I'm glad y'all are here to help me with. This is the lumber from our leftover from our first enclosed chicken coop we built. Took it apart a while back and just kind of stacked the lumber up here. Now that we've got the chicken coop / brooder set up that y'all saw in a previous video, I'm going to take this lumber, sort it back out, and we're going to build the enclosed run for that coop. I think we're going to change up our plan a little bit from what I had the other day. We got enough 12-foot sticks here. Come out 12 foot and then make it as wide as the coop is itself. I think we'll be good to go. Good morning, Jackson. Hey, good morning, folks. It's good to see y'all. I was wondering if y'all was gonna come give me a hand today. Had to quit yesterday afternoon. We had some family stuff to go take care of, but we're back at it this morning. I didn't get quite as far as I wanted to yesterday. I got 2 walls built. Now I'm fixing to put the wire on at least one of the walls and get it stood up, and then we'll go from there and see what we got going. Lay this board down here to give the wire something to ride on while I get it stretched out and try to get it nice and even so I can put some staples in it. All this is reused material. It was all from the original coop we had. So, as usual, when you reuse stuff, it doesn't always quite work out like you really want it to. But we're gonna make the best of it. We're gonna make it work for now, and chickens will be happy. That's all that matters. Try to get it squared up best I can. I didn't bring my square with me, so I'm hoping the wire's square. And I'm gonna just use it to help me get everything lined up. As a matter of fact, I think I'm gonna go get a square. Y'all hang tight real quick. Alright, got me a framing square. Let's see how bad off it really is. Not too bad. Seeing I just put it up here, screwed everything together, and didn't really square it up at that point in time. But we'll make it happen. Like I said, this is all reclaimed, reused lumber. All of it. So it's not gonna be perfect. And I am not a builder. So y'all don't hold anything I'm doing against me now. I know just enough to get myself in trouble. But I'm learning, trying to get there. The more I do, the better I get, right? It's a good way to look at it, folks. It's because you don't know how to do something on YouTube would get you in trouble. You can watch some of them folks on there that's been doing it for years, and they bam, 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 they get done. Like, man, that looked easy. But They got the tools, they got the knowledge. Let me get my air compressor right here. Let's see what we got. We got some 3/4 inch crown staples. Get a couple of them in here to help hold this wire down. We'll just work our way around it. Turn the pressure down. There we go. That's what we need. But I sure am thankful y'all are here today. Everybody else is inside. They're getting some school work done. Or at least that's what they're supposed to be doing. Alright. Let me see. I want to go. I think we need to go along that bottom. Maybe start over here in the corner, get it straightened out. And then we just go along that bottom, tying it down. It's hot out here today, folks, already. It's early in the morning. We had that little storm come through, most of y'all know. It helped cool things down slightly. But it hadn't taken long and it's already hot again. Alright. We've learned a lot about chickens in the past few years. They're really easy to raise, but the weather and the environment has a lot to do with egg production, has a lot to do with the health of the hen. I think I should have started this end and went the other way. Like I said, we out here learning. We out here learning. Just come along. We make it happen. If y'all got any tips, suggestions for me, please leave them in the comments below. Cause I'm just, like I said before, I know enough to get myself in trouble. So, any advice, any tips? Sorry about that compressor. I hope it ain't too loud. I try to take it out as much as I can when I do the editing. If I notice that these staples aren't really holding, I'm gonna come back and put some little runners, pieces of wood on here. That's gonna help hold the screen to the studs as well. But this is what I used last time for the most part, and it worked out really good. I think I'm gonna turn that air down just a little bit more. Take a little water break. I don't know if y'all have ever used it before, tried it. But Redmond's on Real Salt, they have a electrolyte mix. They have an energy mix, a immune mix. They got all kind of different little drinks you can have and all. And this is electrolyte mix. We really like it here on Homestead. It helps out a lot, especially on these hot summer days like we've been having. I drink at least one every day, and then at night I might do a little a light mix of it, just kind of get everything back in me, ready to go for the next day. Y'all need to give it a try. Redmond's Real Salt. They got all kind of good products. Go check them out. And no, we're not sponsored by them. But hey, Redmond, get up with me. Alright. It's better than that stuff that comes out of Central Florida. Y'all know what I mean. Go dogs. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Should have done that sooner. I'm trying to figure out how exactly I'm gonna attach this run to this coop. I'm not real sure just yet. Got a couple ideas. Out of nails, out of staples. Let's grab some staples. Got up this morning. Mac the egg chick came in there and said, Daddy, I'm gonna cook eggs for breakfast this morning. Out of the blue. Didn't have to be asked. Nothing. She did a really good job too. We're gonna get this other thing of wire on here. Let's see what we got going. I'm not sure if it's gonna stretch all the way to the top, which that's gonna be okay as well. We need about 3 hands. Oh yeah, that thing just gonna work, folks. Be right there at it. Let's see. Be just about 4 inches short. But it's gonna be at the top. Not gonna be too concerned about that part. On these corners, I'm putting extra staples in there just for some extra strength. And these gnats, folks, are absolutely insane. I don't know about y'all, but I do believe Noah snuck more than 2 gnats on the ark. He was only supposed to take 2. When I'm pretty sure he had a couple hundred. He might have had 200 on there. I might have to ask him that one day when I get into heaven. Talk to him and find out why he didn't obey God and only take 2 on there. Whew. Y'all know what I'm talking about. These gnats are insane out here. Alright, let's see. Let's do this right here. Oh yeah, now to get it tight. Should have done this on the other side. Like I said, live and learn, folks. Live and learn. Jackson, what's going on, buddy? He ain't happy about something. Probably the air compressor kicking on. We don't like it. It'll be alright. Oh yeah. Why don't y'all tell me to do this on that other side, folks? Why don't y'all let me do that? Oh well. God work said it don't feel right, but I'm gonna go with it. He said about 15 years ago, and we remind him every day. He crossed through it at a boat, nut and bolt, stainless steel. If y'all y'all ever work with stainless steel nuts and bolts, it was not a fun day trying to fix it. But we got it done just like this. We're gonna make it happen. I'm gonna have to get some gnat spray here in a little bit, folks. Y'all need some? Y'all good? I got plenty of it. I'll share it with you. Bend this over. Got a lot of extra on this side. I wish I'd have done it on that other on this one. Oh man, that's gonna eat me up, folks. We in a time crunch. We got too much other stuff we need to be doing, so this is gonna be a down and dirty. If I get bored one day, come out here and I'll fix it. But like I said, I had that storm come through. I had to put in some long hours at work. A lot of stuff got left behind here at the house. So it was catch up time. Alright. Let's stand it up. See how bad off we are. Oh yeah. It's gonna work just fine. I put them boards on here. We'll be good to go. I'm gonna get this other wall done and figure out how I'm gonna attach it to the coop. The door is gonna be down here at this end on this wall. It's gonna be a very narrow coop, so it's gonna work. We'll make it work. Alright, I'm gonna get this out of the way and get this other wall finished, and I'll get back with you. Alright, it's the third day now, and we got rained out yesterday. Couldn't do a whole lot of videoing, so just had to get the work done without videoing it. But let me show y'all what we got going on, and it's pretty basic. It's just a run that's about 8 foot tall, 12 foot long, and right at 4 foot wide. And it's I need to get a latch to put right here for the door. Just got that board screwed on there for now to keep it secure. It's an outward opening door. Then I've got a board behind it at the bottom, so like a coyote or fox or raccoon or something, they can't push it open. And then over here, up under the coop itself, I've got a wire going all the way around it, so they got a shaded area, a dry spot, whatever you want to call it. Have dust baths at some point, I'm sure, under there. Well, that's about it. I'm gonna get this wire off this door over here so they can come out and explore their new house. Hey. Ain't quite figured it out. They'll probably figure it out later today. Show y'all what I did find. Found a gate latch in the garage, so I went ahead and put that on there. So they're good to go. Once they figure out that gate, that the fence is out of the way and they can come out, I imagine they'll be out here. We'll check back in on them in a little while. Alright, they finally came out. They had to coax them with a little bit of feed, but they're out and they're checking it out. They're trying to meet their big sisters over there, and I think we got another one that's gonna look like Butters. Not sure. We'll see when they get bigger. Appreciate y'all.